Carrie Hopkins.
It's like a nose.
Get close to the mic, Carrie. You want the mic up or down?
It's good.
It's good?
I think so. Can you hear me? I think I can hear me.
You're charged with parking during an emergency. What do you want to tell me about this?
Well, Your Honor, I heard we were going to get snow. I parked at my friend's house.
Where'd you hear that? Who told you?
There was word of mouth.
Who's informing Inspector Quinn?
I heard. My parents said we're going to get snow later as my stepfather.
Oh, your parents. It wasn't the meteorologist, was it? It was your parents.
Correct.
Okay.
Right. So I wasn't aware of how much snow. And my only option for parking was on the street. I was at a friend's house, and I do go to school at Rick. I don't believe I'm a full-time student anymore, to be honest with you. I did have 3 classes, and I recently withdrew from a class, so I'm not full-time student at Rick, but I am a student at Rick. And I was told when I got my car back from the towing company that if I went to court, presented myself, and said, hey, I'm a student, and I'm poor, and I'm sorry.
Wait a minute. All right. Inspector Quinn. Right. This is.
What was the name of
wait,
the tow
wait. What's the name of the tow company?
There you go.
They were on Thurber's.
All right. It's Durbers Avenue Tow Company, whatever the name is, right?
Yes.
They charged you the full amount for the tow, right?
Yes, sir.
They didn't give you a penny off, not 1 penny, right?
No, Your Honor.
You paid the whole thing.
Yes, sir.
And then the big
125.
shot of the tow company says, listen, you're paying us the full amount, but go to the court and talk to the judge. He'll give you a break.
To be honest, Your Honor,
Carrie, did you think of this? Did you think of saying, what do you mean go ask the judge for a break? Why don't you give me a break?
Not that I'm asking for a break.
What are you
but
asking
I figured
for?
I'd take my chances because I can't, honestly, Your Honor, I can pay it.
This is twice you mentioned honesty. Now, the more you mention honesty, the more suspicious I'm getting.
Yeah.
All right, here's where the temperature in the courtroom subtly shifts. Carrie has just leaned hard into the honestly defense, and the judge immediately clocks it. That repetition? In courtroom psychology, overemphasizing honesty can raise eyebrows. But remember, she's charged with parking during an emergency, typically enforced during snow bans to keep streets clear for plows. The real stakes here aren't criminal, they're financial. She's already paid towing fees. Was this a mistake or strategic storytelling?
That doesn't look good, does it?
All right, Carrie, what else you want to tell me? You got to keep thinking of stuff that's going to help you. Can you think of anything else? No.
Honestly, I can't.
We did get a lot of snow, Your Honor. It was declared a state of emergency before we got snow.
I figured now that you dropped that one course at Rhode Island College, you must have a lot of extra money to pay for the ticket,
Exactly.
right?
Actually, I can't get refunded for the course because I already paid tuition.
All right, Carrie, let me tell you how I feel about it. You paid enough money for the tow. I'm not
Yes.
going to charge you anything for the ticket.
Thank you so much. I appreciate it.
All right, good, honestly.
Honestly now.
Good luck.
Thank you, sir.
All right, bye.
Now we get something rare, judicial transparency. After the ruling, the judge openly explains his reasoning. He identifies classic deception indicators: shaky eye contact, vague details, overuse of honestly. That's almost like a mini masterclass in credibility assessment. Yet he still believed her. Why? Because credibility isn't just about verbal cues, it's about human instinct. Should judges rely on intuition like this, or stick strictly to facts and statutes?
After presiding over tens of thousands of cases, I've become pretty good at picking up the tells of a liar. This young lady had most of them. Shaky eye contact, her story lacked details.
My car was towed around 4 a.m. There was no, yeah.
She used qualifying language such as, honestly, way too much. Despite all of that, I believed her. One thing you can't fake is a smile. And she had a genuine one. Honestly.
In the end, Carrie walks away without paying the ticket, though she absorbed the full towing cost. The judge exercised discretion, acknowledged credibility concerns, but ultimately ruled in her favor. This case highlights how minor infractions can still hinge on demeanor, financial hardship, and judicial instinct. It's a reminder that courts aren't just about rules, they're about judgment. If you found this case as intense as we did, make sure to hit that like button, share your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more powerful courtroom breakdowns.